Hello everyone and welcome to Survival Reviews. Today we're taking a look at the Stahlern Fixed Blade Knife from Swiss Tech, available right now at Walmart for $39.97. The specs: we have a blade length of 4.5 inches. Overall length is going to be 8.75 inches from the tip of the blade to the bottom of the handle. The blade steel is AUS 8 stainless steel, which is also titanium coated. The handle material is going to be canvas micarta. The tang is full tang. You can see that to the end. And the sheath is going to be fiberglass infused nylon. Additional features: it has a ferro rod with integrated notch. So here's the ferro rod, integrated notch on the blade. Here's our notch. Multiple sheath grommets for custom mounting. You can see those here, here, here. And it even includes a drainage hole in the sheath. It's got a red anodized aluminum lanyard hole. Hardness is going to be 57 to 58 on the Rockwell hardness scale. Comes with a limited lifetime warranty, and again, MSRP of $39.97 at Walmart. So what I really like about this knife, the price point. So $39.97 from Walmart. This is a steal. The packaging is extremely nice, even including a magnetic closure, which you don't often see. So it's got magnetic closures here, here, and then corresponding on the other side of the package, embedded in the actual package itself. If you open up the package a little bit more, you'll see that it even includes a lanyard that you can secure to the handle in the lanyard hole. So they really thought of everything with this. I mean, just listen to this snap shut with the magnets. So very nice box. And listen, some people collect boxes. You may not do that, but some people do. They will keep the box that their knife came in. And this knife box is definitely something that you may want to keep if you're one of those people that does this. Alright, let me get the box out of the way. We'll dive into some more features of the actual blade. So they really thought of everything with this package. The premium fiberglass infused nylon sheath is adjustable for any position with the clip. The knife fits securely in the sheath, does not rattle. The sheath includes mini grommets for securing the sheath to your leg or your gear. It even includes a holder for the ferro rod that also is held securely. The sheath also includes a small drainage hole so the water will flow. Let's see if I can get that on camera. So the water will flow through the sheath, and it'll keep your blade from sitting in water in a wet environment, allowing the blade to dry in even wet conditions. Let's go to the blade. I like the drop point style blade. That is great for general bushcraft, camp work, or food prep purposes. It has a full tang blade that is made of AUS 8 steel, and while not a premium steel like VG10 or 154 CM, it isn't that far off. It's in the same class as 440C and other standard stainless steels. Again, it's usually found in the 57 to 58 Rockwell hardness range. It is a stainless steel that is easy to resharpen, even in the field, and it will take a razor edge. Blade is coated with titanium, which is going to significantly enhance its hardness, wear resistance, and reduce friction, leading to cleaner cuts and longer blade life. The blade has a notch in it for the ferro rod. I like the olive canvas micarta handle, which is comfortable to hold and won't get slippery even in wet conditions. The red anodized aluminum lanyard hole in the handle adds a nice aesthetic touch that ties the blade back to the overall brand of SwissTech. While it definitely isn't a chopper, this knife has a high degree of utility, won't break the bank, and is well thought out and designed. It will excel in just about anything related to camp chores, bushcraft, survival, and food prep. SwissTech also provides a limited lifetime warranty. This is definitely rated Survive, and I highly recommend that you pick one up. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more real gear reviews that help you decide survive or sacrifice.